Hey everyone, check out the Sakioo 9DT electric razor for men, a compact, pocket-sized shaver perfect for home, car, or travel use. This 2024 upgraded mini shaver features a multifunctional LED display that shows battery level, usage time, and even has a travel lock to prevent accidental power drain. It comes with a versatile 5-in-1 razor headset including a shaving head, hair trimmer, nose hair trimmer, facial cleaner, and soft face sponge for all your grooming needs. The IPX6 waterproof design lets you shave wet or dry, even in the shower, and makes cleaning quick and easy with removable heads. Thanks to the Type-C Quick Charge, you get 90 minutes of use after just 120 minutes of charging from any USB port. Whether you're at home or on the go, this electric shaver offers convenience and powerful performance in one sleek package. Upgrade your grooming routine with the Sakioo 9DT for a smooth, hassle-free shave anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.